Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing some taillight restoration. Here we have my truck, and you can see these are pretty bad. I'm going to spray them down just to show you how clouded these are. Don't mind all the pollen, it's been sitting for a while. You can see all that oxidation in there. And here on my other truck, which I've already done this, you can see that these are nice and clear. So now let's get started with the tools. Here are the supplies I'm going to be using. We got paper towels, water in a spray bottle, a Phillips screwdriver, a magnetic pen, various grits of sandpaper, Meguiar's Plastex polish compound, and Meguiar's headlight coating, and a microfiber cloth. Links to all of this will be in the description. Here are the two Phillips head screws you need to remove to get the lights out of these trucks. I recommend using the magnetic pen to help get them out because they can fall and they are very hard to get out. Now, I did this first part as a time lapse, but I'm going to have some clips after to show you what the results are after each grit. The way I do this is by spraying both the light and sandpaper with water and just start sanding the entire surface, making sure you do it evenly. You don't want to have any spots that end up being smoother than the other and missing any scratches. After each grit, I also spray down the light and get all the particles off completely, and then let it dry, just to get a good look and see if I miss any spots that I'm going to have to go over again. After I'm satisfied with the results, I move on to the next grit. Make sure you also take your time. You don't want to rush, because the more time you put into each grit, the better your final result's going to be. Now for the polish that you'll see me do shortly, you're going to want to make sure that the light has been completely dried off and cleaned. You do not want to have water mixed with this, according to the directions. You liberally apply the compound onto the light, making sure you want to get a lot on there. Then you can take the sponge that it was provided with. For me, it was provided with the kit, and swirl it into the light. Make sure you don't miss any spots. This goes fairly quickly, and you want to make sure it doesn't dry into the light. Once it's been evenly applied, you just take your microfiber cloth and remove it. And after that, you're done, ready to apply the clear coat. And after all that, here's the comparison. You can tell how nice the right one came out. You can see there's a nice clear reflection and hardly any visible scratches. On the left, you can see the scratches from a distance. Now on to the clear coat. Now, to apply the clear coat, you want to make sure you shake it up for a bit before you start. And when you begin to spray, go in long sweeping motions with about 50% overlap. The directions say you can lay it on a little thick, so you can go a little slow with it, but don't let it run. You then want to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then repeat. And here's the final product. This clear coat gives them a nice gloss, as well as giving a UV protective layer to prevent some future oxidation or clouding. And it makes it look pretty nice. Now to put them onto the truck. And there we go. It would give the truck a much nicer look if it was clean, but that's a project for another day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to come back for my next one, which I'll cover how I go about restoring my gauge cluster on my two-door Tahoe. See you guys then.